Welcome to another English poem of Class 9, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth, where he describes about grief, loss, and acceptance. Wordsworth wrote this poem to express the shock, grief, and numbness he felt after the death of a loved one, believed to be Lucy, although it is not clearly mentioned anywhere. The poem shows how deep sorrow can make a person emotionally numb, almost like a being in a dreamlike state, unable to feel normal fears or thoughts. The poem expresses deep sorrow and acceptance of death. Poet wanted to show love can make someone feel their beloved is eternal, but death suddenly breaks that illusion, and grief turns the mind silent, still, and numb. The poem reflects his personal pain and his belief that after death, a person becomes one with the nature. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने इस कविता में ये बताया है कि गहरा दुख इंसान के मन को सुन कर देता है। इंसान कुछ भी न समझ पाता है, न महसूस कर पाता है। जैसे वह किसी सपने में हो और वास्तविकता को बिल्कुल महसूस नहीं कर पाता है। कविता में यह भी दिखाया गया है कि मृत्यु के बाद इंसान प्रकृति के साथ एक हो जाता है, उसी प्रकृति में विलीन हो जाता है। दिस इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल द मॉर्टल्स. A slumber did my spirit seal. I had no human fears. Here the poet says that his mind was in a kind of deep sleep or numbness. Because of this, he did not feel ordinary human worries or fears about life, death, or loss. This emotional numbness sealed or closed his spirit or his soul. The fear of losing someone he loved or the fear of death was not present in his mind at all. He lived with a false sense of comfort, believing that Lucy would always remain the same, unaffected by time, unaffected by death. However, when she passed away, he felt lot of grief. A slumber means a deep sleep and seal is covered and spirit means soul. So कवि ये कहता है कि उसका मन जैसे गहरी नींद या सुन्नता में डूब गया था। इसी कारण से उसे जीवन मृत्यु या किसी प्रियजन के खोने जैसी मानव चिंताएं महसूस हो ही नहीं रही थी. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly ears. The poet here tells that Lucy was so calm, pure, and beautiful, and he loved her so much that he felt that time could not affect her, almost as if she was timeless and immortal, beyond all the human sufferings. We all feel the same for our loved ones. It seemed as if she would never grow old, never suffer, or never be touched by the changes of passing by years. The touch of earthly years means aging and other time related effects. पोएट के हिसाब से लूसी ऐसी लगती थी जैसे टाइम से परे हो, जैसे उस पर दुनिया के दुख, समय की मार या फिर उम्र का कोई भी असर नहीं पड़ेगा. एज इफ शी वुड नेवर डाई. पोएट को लगता था वो हमेशा ही अनचेंज्ड रहेगी. No motion has she now, no force. She neither hears nor sees. Now the poet says that she has no movement or life force left. She is dead and cannot hear or see anything. The poet is expressing this painful reality that the girl he loved has lost all the signs of life in her. अब कवि ये कहते हैं कि उसके शरीर में कोई हरकत नहीं है या कोई जीवन शक्ति बची ही नहीं है. एवरीथिंग दैट वंस मेड हर अलाइव हैज सडनली डिसअपियर्ड. वो मर चुकी है. Rolled around in Earth's diurnal course with rocks and stones and trees. Here, poet further describes the events that take place after Lucy's passing away. These lines means that Lucy has become a part of Earth after her death. Earth's diurnal course refers to the daily rotation of Earth, the continuous cycle of day and night. By saying she is rolled round with the earth, the poet suggests that her body is now buried in the earth. She moves with the earth just like all other natural objects, as the earth is ever moving. She is now one with the nature, just like rocks, stones, and all the trees around her. So she is moving with Earth. Lucy is no longer a living human being, but a silent part of the natural world. After her death, Lucy has merged with nature and is carried along with the earth in the natural daily movement of Earth. इन लाइंस में कवि ये बताना चाहते हैं कि लूसी अब मृत्यु के बाद धरती का हिस्सा बन चुकी है। अर्थ्स डायरनल कोर्स का अर्थ है धरती का दैनिक चक्र, यानी धरती का लगातार घूमना, दिन रात का बदलना, प्रकृति का निरंतर चलना। और रोल्ड राउंड का अर्थ है कि अब लूसी उसी प्राकृतिक गति के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है। धरती अपने डायरनल कोर्स, दैनिक घूमने, मौसम बदलने, दिन रात के चक्र में पीढ़ियों से इसी तरह से चलती आई है, और अब लूसी भी उसी अनंत गति का हिस्सा बन गई है। अब वह इंसान रूपी नहीं, बल्कि प्राकृतिक तत्वों की तरह हमेशा मौजूद रहेगी। So, in this poem, the poet talks about the death of his beloved, describing how his grief initially made him feel that she is untouched by time and death, almost as if in a peaceful slumber. The poem's focus is on the aftermath of her death, not on the event itself. He eventually confronts the harsh reality of her death, realizing she is now the part of the natural world, unhearing, unseeing, and integrated with earth, rocks, and trees. The poem concludes with the serene acceptance of the death as the natural part of all living beings and a sense of peace in her eternal presence within the nature itself. The narrator's inability to grasp her mortality is the key theme of the poem. He treated her as if she was somehow immortal or a divine being, which highlights the shock of loss. The poem ultimately frames her death as a natural process, an inevitable end to the human life. The poem details her transformation into the part of earth as a process of decomposition, which is scientific and which is ultimate fate of all the living creatures. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.